this video, I'm going to show you how to find and harvest fatwood. So you may be asking how fatwood is made. So it is either a fallen pine or a dead pine, which the sap from the pine all the way up from the top, it flows all the way down to the bottom of the stump, and when the tree dies or gets cut down, you have so much fat in the stump, and you just harvest that stump and it has such a high concentration of fat, it burns super nice. As you can see right here, it is super rich right there, and that right there is a good amount of lighter. So we're gonna harvest that right there, and here's a time lapse of doing that. Alright, we're gonna go to light this piece. See how good it burns right here. That's the really rich piece I said it burned. Let's see. Look at that. Immediately done. And if you wanted to, you could shred it up with either a hand plane, and then you can just lay it in a pile, and it would burn faster than this. Look at that, it's going up in flames. Look at that, how much it's crackling. It's good black smoke. We're gonna go and throw it in here. So if y'all have any pines in your yard, just go look next to the pines. If you have a stump, then chop it up. Makes great fire thinner. If you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe and like the video right down here. And I'll see y'all next time.